We are here at Mount Batulusong Summit, Rangya's Peak, and that's the what mountain, kuya?
Payagwan po, ma'am.
That's Mount Payagwan.
Hindi po ma'am matulis, susong dalaga po ang tawag dun.
That's Susong Dalaga. Susong Dalaga. Yung plain clouds, that's ano yan, kuya?
Ma'am?
Yan na ba yung Laguna Lake?
Opo.
Laguna Lake. The blue house is soon to be. Magiging ano nga yan, kuya?
Rehab po.
Magiging rehab.
Kulungan po ng mga drug addict.
Kulungan daw ng mga drug addict.
Dalawa na po yan, ma'am. Ayun po yung luma.
Yun, yung blue na yun?
Opo.
Ganun. May nakatira na dyan?
Ay kulang po, ay maliit.
Maliit. Pero mostly, mga anak mayaman, no, kuya?
Ay, si Mark Anthony po, dyan dadala.
Si Mark Anthony nandyan? The flag of Mount Batulusong Summit. We leave San Andres around 11, and now it takes 4 hours to come up here. We are facing Mount Erid, the highest mountain of Tanay. And only professional hikers can go up there. And it takes 2 days and 1 night. Enjoy the view. I will let you see around the beautiful mountain of Tanay. You can see the mountain of Baras Rizal, Antipolo, Laguna, Quezon, and the windmill of Rizal. Not so clear. I want to share it with you. The view. The place where I stay. The place where I live right now. And today is my 54th birthday. Again, happy birthday to me. At my age, I still believe nothing impossible. I am happy because wala pa akong rayuma, wala pa akong arthritis. na kaya ko pang umakyat dito sa Mount Batulusong.
Sir, Laguna Lake. Parang ulang-ulang. Mailap sir eh. May bundok pa dyan mataas. Kabila niyo.
Whew.
Mount Banahaw.
Again, thank you Papa God, thank you Mama Mary. To see the beauty of your gift of nature.
Asian.
It's Chris and Kuya Reagan. Thank you so much for guiding us. He is mabait na tour guide. So happy. Pagbaba ko, my kids waiting for me for a yummy dinner. Thank you everyone for viewing these beautiful mountains.
Ano ma'am, dito po. Para kita yung vlog.
Okay kuya, hold it.
Para kasama na po kayo.
Hi! So happy here. Happy, happy, happy.
So sir, pwede pa pong puntahan to. Ito side na to.
This is the flag of Mount Batulusong. The flag of Mount Batulusong. Kuya, ilang above sea level ito?
863 po.
863.
863 feet. Above sea level sir.
Above sea level. Okay na kuya?
Ma'am, tayo po ka dyan para makita natin yung isang
Okay.
yung Susundalaga po. Saka Mount Payaguan.
Susong dalaga. That's susong dalaga. Yung matulis na mountain.
Hindi na po ma'am yung Pandalaga.
Oo.
Yung pong pinaking mataas, Mount Payaguan po.
Mount Payaguan. Nobody can go there.
863.
Okay na kuya, thank you so much.
Welcome po.